Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Cherry DW9100 Slim Keyboard and Mouse Combo, which is designed for users who value both style and functionality. The Cherry DW9100 Slim Combo includes a keyboard and a mouse, both of which have a slim and sleek design. The keyboard has a low-profile key design, which makes it comfortable to type on for extended periods of time. The keys are also very quiet, which is great if you work in a shared space and don't want to disturb others. The mouse is also very slim and lightweight, which makes it easy to use and move around. It has a 1200p optical sensor, which provides accurate and smooth cursor control. The mouse also has two additional buttons on the side, which you can customize to perform specific functions. One of the best things about the Cherry DW9100 Slim Combo is its wireless connectivity. Both the keyboard and mouse connect to your computer using a 2.4 GHz wireless USB receiver, which provides a stable and reliable connection. The range is also very good, so you can use the keyboard and mouse from a distance without any issues. Another great feature of this combo is its battery life. The keyboard and mouse both use AAA batteries, which can last for up to 3 years. This means that you won't have to worry about replacing the batteries anytime soon, which is great if you're someone who hates constantly replacing batteries. In terms of pricing, the Cherry DW9100 Slim Combo is a bit more expensive than other keyboard and mouse combos on the market. However, we think that the quality and design of this combo more than justify the price. If you're someone who values both style and functionality, then we think you'll be very happy with the Cherry DW9100 Slim Combo. Overall, we highly recommend the Cherry DW9100 Slim Keyboard and Mouse Combo. It's slim, stylish, and functional, with great wireless connectivity and long battery life. If you're in the market for a new keyboard and mouse combo, then we think you should definitely consider the Cherry DW9100 Slim. Thank you for watching our video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and tutorials.